Hi, my name is Abhilash and I'm watching Code Spectrum. In the previous lecture, we already discussed about the non-exactness of a differential equation, and today we're going to be solving a new problem for the non-exactness of differential equation. So let's take a problem here. So we have written an example here. So first step was to check for the exactness. So we need to figure out these two terms and check whether they equal or not. If they equal, it's exact. If it's not, then it is non-exact. So I've already figured it out. So in the first case, we need to take the x as a constant and y as a variable. So I need to take the y as a variable. So what is the differentiation for sine y? It is cos y. So x remains the same. Plus, we need to take the product rule now because y in the both terms is a variable. So first take the y, take the differentiation of sine y, which is cos y, plus take the sine y here. And what is the differentiation for y? It is 1. So sine y into 1 is sine y. Okay, now here if you can see that this cos y is taken as a common from x and y, so it will be x plus y cos y plus sine y. In the second term we have solved it like this. So y is taken as a constant and x is a variable. So here it is a variable, so my sine y is a constant, so take it out. And what is the differentiation for x with respect to x? It is 1, so sine y into 1. And already the differentiation for cos y would be 0 because here is no x. Okay, so the next step was to take a difference between these two. So you can subtract this term from this or this term from this. So mainly let's subtract anyhow. So I'm using the subtraction of sine y from this term. Okay, so it will be resulting to, so you got x plus y cos y. So now we need to give a denominator here. So what will be denominator? It will be based on a decision. For example, in this case, so let's take these two terms and which term should be placed in the denominator is the main thing. So if we subtract in this order that I have done, so if we place this term here, so it will be placed in negative, and if we place this term, it will be placed in positive. You can also check the earlier lecture. Okay, so you can see that the first term can be written as here x plus y into sine y. So you can place this term in the denominator so that it will be remaining with the variable y. So let's check it out. So here it is. I have placed the x plus y sine y. So lastly, you need to place the negative sign in front of it because we are doing the subtraction in the order. Okay, now we can cancel out the x plus y from both the denominator and numerator. Okay, and minus sign will remain same and it will be cot y. Now we need to figure out the integration factor. So integration factor is given by e to the power of integration of minus cot y, which is difference here. So we have placed this minus cot y in this place. So now also the main thing is what should you place after cot y, dx or dy. I told you about this one in the previous lecture that we kept taking the term from here, so we need to place the dy because here it is dx. So please here dy, meaning because we need to take the opposite variable, differential variable. So here it is dy, and we need to solve it. Okay, so after solving this integral, you will get, so you need to multiply this integration factor to the whole equation. So after multiplying this integrating factor to the whole equation, look like this. So it is x plus y dx plus x plus cot y dy equals 0. Okay, so actually the cos x y equals to 1 upon sine y. So this sine y will cancel out this sine y also in this place also. Okay, so it will get like this. Now the differential equation has become exact. Now you can do the same procedure as I told you. So what you need to do is you need to integrate the integral with respect to x first. So fx comma y is given by x square by 2. This is due to the x dx, so x square by 2, and y is treated as constant, so constant terms get out of the integral, plus yx. Okay, so this integral is not the with respect to x, so it is a generic function. So generic function will be written as g y. Okay, now I need to differentiate this function fx comma y with respect to y. Okay, so it will give you f dash x comma y, and here is no y is present in this term, so it will be 0, and here it is y, so the constant term is x, so x will be taken out, and also gy will be written as g dash y. And lastly, we need to place the dy as a whole bracket. Okay, so now if we check this term would be matched with this term, and we will get as a g dash y is equals to cot y, and gy would be equal to minus ln cosec y. So we can write like this: gy equals to minus ln cosec y plus c. So we need to place this gy in this place. So the final answer to this differential equation is x squared by 2 plus xy minus ln cosec y plus c. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So, thank you for watching.